So today we are going to see stocks. Let's start with trading view, price action, and we'll slowly move on to the OI and then straddle. So you could see index was falling on Friday. So does the major stocks as well, especially Reliance and HDFC were 1% down, for IV 11.8. So definitely sellers are going to have the edge. We're going to start with Reliance. So this is Reliance chart and this is the Reliance range. So I'm going to just see for July month because that's where our hope is. So this is open. Clearly it was trying to do a breakout, but a breakout failure here, and all the SL hunt zone has been covered. Now on the downside also the support has been broken here. This was one resistance and this was the other resistance. So here also support size, the SL has already hunt. So now here it's two-way. One, it can go down and cover the SL of the previous month, or it can go up and continue to be in the sideways zone. Okay, so let's see what happens. We have HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank is still inside the zone, as you could see, for the July month. And then you could see ICICI Bank. I'll take July here. ICICI Bank still inside the range. So this is trying to do a breakdown, but it's at the critical support. So this is at the critical support. Let's see if HDFC and ICICI together breakdowns, then they can see fall in Bank Nifty. We'll now go to the OI. And try to do the overall OI analysis in the Trading Tick website. So first is Reliance. So this is Reliance, and then you could see the call writing is high. That means market is facing resistance for Reliance. We'll go and check for HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank. Clearly resistance is faced by HDFC Bank. Resistance is looking strong. And then we have ICICI Bank, where the support has been created for that day, but still in the overall total resistance is the stronger one. We'll go and check in the closer range, which will give us the exact support and resistance. I'll start with Reliance. So basically this is the range, 50 points range, max pain and lot size. You should remember the lot size. When you check OTM, it's 17 and 77. So clearly strong resistance. And then 40, 50 and 1600 are the strongest resistance, and straddle is formed in 1500. Okay, so here all profit booking is clearly seen in the OTM as well as ITM for Reliance. We go and check for HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank. This is the expected range and max pain. When you check OTM, so it's 18 and 38. So clearly resistance is there in the market, but a little bit of profit booking is also here and there necessary. Let's see if this is breaking the critical support. Okay, so critical support here is 1900 and market is currently at 83. So way before the support. So let's see if support does any breakdown or it sustains. Okay, we have ICICI next. So this is ICICI Bank. And then again when you check OTM, so this is the expected range 50 points and max pain 700 is the lot size, and then you see here 22 and 8. So clearly resistance is strong and both side profit booking has been seen. We'll now check the straddle with respect to price action. I'm going to take the charts on the other side. So first one is Reliance. So this is Reliance 15 minutes chart. And then open is clearly 1510, the purple line. Okay, so here let me just give you the price action. So market was down and then it went sideways. Okay, so down and sideways, and resistance is already strong for Reliance. Then you see this is the open, and then from 50 it just went to 46. 46 is the close. So how to calculate now? Let's do a basic calculation. One lot for Reliance is 500, I guess, or yeah, 500. Okay, now DK is 4 points. It's actually a positive DK. So what is the calculation? 500 times 4. So 2K is the positive PNL for Reliance, and this is how the profit is calculated through straddle. So you can check for all these strikes up to 10x strikes. You can check here to understand the market better. Okay, now I'll go to HDFC Bank. So I have showed you for one stock, so same pattern you have to check for other stocks. Okay, so we have HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank open was 2000, the red one, and this was also a profitable DK as you could see. And next is ICICI Bank. We'll go to ICICI Bank. So this is ICICI Bank. Again open was 20, so the yellow. This was also, sorry, this was actually a no loss no gain trade. As you could see, it started with 47 and ended. So the open was also 47, the close is also 47. So here you have to pay the brokerage plus tax. So that's it guys, thank you.